Polkadot is forecast to gain 2.5% tomorrow based on 30 rates update. Before anything else, let's see what's happening on the chart. Right now, Polkadot is trading near $0.866 after a 0.9% daily drop. Let's dive into the analysts' expectations. 30 rates expects the chart to show $0.888 by August 29, a gain of roughly 2.5%. Coin price forecast expects Polkadot could lift to an 88 cents, an estimated rise of 1.5%. According to Gov Capital, it could weaken toward $0.863, a downward move of 0.4%. Another forecast from Crypto Predictions indicates Polkadot could approach an 86 cents on the way down, an expected loss of about 0.8%. To finish, coin data flow indicates $0.823 by August 29, a potential fall of 5.1%. This is the highest return estimate. Forecasts are done. Let's explore what comes next. We've seen the forecasts. Now let's look at the forecast metrics. Looking at the forecasts side by side, the projected movement in price is between a decrease of 5.1% and an increase of 2.5%, depending on the analyst. It's clear that CoinDataFlow expects the highest return with 5.1% gain in value by tomorrow. In short, you could pocket between $4 and $51 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of probabilities, Gov Capital's forecast stands above the rest, showing a 91.3% chance of success. By reviewing them side by side, I've produced a consensus scenario for clarity. Consensus trends suggest Polkadot could stabilize near $0.863. Here's how it breaks down. The consensus assessment points to the price dropping 0.4%. Simply expressed, your capital may also move higher by about 0.4% in step with that change. On each 1,000 of capital, this projection might reflect about $4 in growth. According to the consensus, the likelihood of this outcome is estimated at about 91.3%. At this stage, let's see what analysts are forecasting over the 3-day horizon. The projection from 30 rates is that Polkadot will trade in a narrow band around current levels. Coin price forecast signals the price is following an ascending path. Likewise, Gov Capital expects Polkadot to rise over the next few days. An advance is similarly expected by Crypto Predictions, reinforcing a bullish stance. CoinDataFlow points to a bearish path. Consensus forecasts indicate Polkadot will show little to no price movement in the short term. Overall, most analysts lean toward a bullish scenario for Polkadot. 5 forecasts appeared 2 days back. Today we look at them in detail. As a result, the daily candle closed at $0.882. 3 out of 5 analysts were right about the move. The prediction that stood closest to reality came from coin price forecast. Let's take it apart. Out of all 5, just 1 forecast was within the range. Regarding ROI, several forecasts showed positive returns and the best result hit 2.7%. Up next is the recap table, a quick look at how all forecasts performed. Meanwhile, CoinCodex had a pre-estimated probability of 91.4%, $0.025 in accuracy, and minus 2.7% ROI. Can you tell which analyst came the closest to reality? Here's a quick visual of tomorrow's forecasted returns showing Polkadot compared with the rest of the market. The leader today is Ethena, showing a forecasted 3% return. For now, I've compared Polkadot with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. The extended comparison is already posted on my website. If you're still here, I appreciate your attention, and if this was useful, don't forget to like the video. Take care, everyone.